babe, wanna leave this town. I'm saying, whatever, if you wanna go, I'm down. Darling, we'll make the bigger thing.
So some health and wellness and massage trends that we will be seeing in 2022 are people staying home more often than going out for services. People are turning their homes into relaxing sanctuaries where they will be bringing services into their home that they used to go out for. And they're going to be learning how to do home treatments. And I've been doing a lot of reading about self-massage. It is definitely on the upswing in popularity. People are learning how to take care of themselves at home. And that includes working out. There was an article, I will link it below. The percentage of people who never want to go to a gym again because of the germ factor, these are the people who never thought they would work out at home, and I'm one of them. But given the choice now, I would rather do a complete home workout. You got to work with what you've got, just a little bit of space so you can move around, maybe an area to store some basic equipment, and you work with what you got. Lymphatic drainage massage is going to be something we see a lot more of this year. The major benefit of it is that it fights infection in the body, and it is such a light pressure massage that it is pretty much open to just about everybody. If you have lymphedema, this is the number one prescribed massage for you. Lymph massage definitely fights infection in the body. It supports the immune system, and it helps to circulate the blood and the lymph fluid through the body. It keeps our lymph node clusters clean, and essentially it maintains a proper fluid balance throughout the entire body. Please do read the article that I have linked below on the benefits. This is what you would call getting into the niche of your massage practice. It is doing a certain type of modality that's very specific rather than do a general full body Swedish massage. And finding a niche is going to be something that is very, very popular in the years to come. People are working from home now, and because of improper workstations, they have a lot more neck strains and stiffness, and they're going to be looking for very specific types of massage. Now, I think we should have been always doing this. I'm not talking about going crazy with a steam gun in our office, but wiping down the laptop before you use it every single time, cleaning your table after every use, cleaning the surfaces in your office, wiping down coffee machines, coffee cups, doorknobs, things that used to be kind of a once a month deep cleaning. We're going to be doing that every day now. Practitioners are going to be using PPE, contactless thermometers, wearing masks, contactless payments. I mean, these are things that are going to be the norm. And of course, because massage is so needed these days because of the stress levels, we need to take care of our hands, you guys. These are simple resistance bands that you can get on Amazon, and I highly recommend them for the strength of your hands. One of my favorite up and coming trends is called forest bathing, and this was brought about in Japan in the 1980s, and it's called Shinrin Yoku. And it's not about taking a bath in the forest. It is simply taking a leisurely walk through the forest, and it doesn't matter what season you're in. But just like running water, forests emit negative ions, and you don't have to do anything if you don't want to. You can just sit there. You can lay on a blanket, go for a run, do your exercise routine in the forest. The benefits are incredible. And if you can be in a forest next to running water, that's double the power. It is such an amazing science behind negative ions and how they affect the body. It's just absolutely fascinating. Vitamins and supplements have always been popular, but be on the lookout for supplements that are specifically for the nervous system. They're called nervine supplements. I've been doing a lot of reading about this myself, and it's quite interesting. More and more people are using health apps on their phones and iWatches to take record and progress how they're doing with their steps, their heart rate, how well they sleep at night, how much water they get during the day, are they eating correctly, are they eating the right amount? And it's so easy. Again, it's so user-friendly to do this. So no matter what kind of trends you feel more drawn to, I highly recommend you looking into some that you might be able to incorporate into your life and your practice as a massage therapist or any kind of wellness giver. And it's going to be becoming more and more popular for practitioners to transition into what they call a more client-centric care. And that means you're becoming a partner in the client's journey towards their wellness, rather than being a separate entity or practitioner that simply provides treatment which is received by the client. So it's kind of a shift in your perspective as a therapist. And we're also going to be learning how to do more with less, because there are crazy supply chain issues and they're going to continue for a few years. So materials are going to take longer to arrive. We're going to have to adapt to not having tools at hand right after we order them. Thank you so much for joining me on this video today. I will see you in the next one. Bye.